Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for my hotel. It's called City View Hotel.
Oh, I know that one. It's not far from here.
Really? That's great news.
Go straight down this street.
Okay, straight. Got it.
Then turn left at the big supermarket.
Left at the supermarket. Okay.
After that, walk 2 more minutes.
And I will see the hotel?
Yes, you can't miss it. It has a big blue sign.
A blue sign. Perfect.
Are you visiting the city for the first time?
Yes, I just arrived this morning.
Welcome. This is a beautiful city.
Thank you. Everyone seems very friendly here.
We try our best. Do you have your phone with you?
Yes, I do.
You can also use Google Maps if you get lost.
That's a good idea. I will do that.
The hotel has a great restaurant too.
Oh, really? I'm very hungry right now.
Then you are going to love it.
You have been so helpful. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Enjoy your first day.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Safe travels.
Sorry, is this the right bus stop for downtown?
Yes, this is the right one. Bus number 12.
Bus number 12. Thank you.
Are you new to the city?
Yes, I moved here just yesterday.
Oh, wow. Welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's very big. A little confusing, honestly.
That's normal. It gets easier after a few days.
I hope so. There are so many streets here.
Do you have a transit card?
A transit card? What is that?
It's a card you use to pay for the bus.
Oh, I don't have one yet.
No worries. You can pay with cash today.
How much is the bus fare?
It's $2.50.
That's very reasonable.
Yes, public transport here is quite affordable.
That's good to hear.
You can buy a transit card at the main station.
I will do that tomorrow.
It saves you money if you use the bus a lot.
I will definitely use it a lot.
Here comes the bus now.
Oh, good. I was a little worried it was late.
This line is usually on time.
That's very helpful to know.
I can show you where to get off downtown.
That would be amazing. Thank you so much.
Not at all. Let's go.
Excuse me, where is the bread section?
It's in aisle 4, at the back.
Aisle 4. Thank you.
Are you looking for anything else?
Actually, yes. Where is the milk?
Milk is in the refrigeration section on the left side.
Oh, I see. This store is so big.
It can be a bit overwhelming at first.
Do you have a map of the store?
We don't have a map, but I can walk you around.
Really? That's very kind of you.
No problem. It's my job to help customers.
Are you an employee here?
Yes, I work here on weekends.
Good timing for me then.
What else do you need today?
I need eggs, pasta, and some fruit.
Eggs are near the milk. Pasta is in aisle 2.
And the fruit?
Fresh fruit is right at the entrance.
I walked right past it.
Everyone does on their first visit.
I just moved to this neighborhood.
Welcome to the area. It's a great community.
I already feel that. People are very helpful.
We like to take care of our neighbors here.
That makes me feel very comfortable.
You'll feel at home in no time.
I hope so. Thank you for everything.
Anytime. Enjoy your first week.
Oh no, I think I'm completely lost.
Hey, are you okay? You look confused.
I am. I can't find my way back.
Where are you trying to go?
I'm trying to get to Park Street.
Park Street? You're actually very close.
Really? I don't feel close at all.
You went the wrong way at the intersection.
I thought I turned right.
You needed to turn left there.
Oh, that explains it.
It's a common mistake for newcomers.
Is it that obvious I'm new here?
Just a little, but that's totally fine.
I moved here just 2 days ago.
Then you're doing great, honestly.
I don't feel like it right now.
Don't worry. Everyone gets lost at the beginning.
Even you?
Especially me. When I first moved here, I got lost every single day.
That makes me feel much better.
Now I know every street by heart.
How long did that take?
About 2 or 3 weeks.
That's not too long.
You'll be a local expert very soon.
I look forward to that day.
For now, go back to that intersection and turn left.
Left. I will remember this time.
Park Street will be right in front of you.
Thank you so much. You saved me.
Happy to help. Good luck in your new city.
Hello. I would like to open a bank account.
Of course. Welcome to Citibank. Have a seat.
Thank you. I just moved here.
Great timing. We have a special offer for new residents.
Oh, really? What kind of offer?
No monthly fees for the first 6 months.
That sounds perfect for me.
Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, here is my passport.
And do you have a proof of address?
What is proof of address?
It could be a utility bill or a lease agreement.
I have my rental contract. Will that work?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. Here it is.
Everything looks good. What type of account do you want?
What are my options?
We have a basic savings account or a current account.
What's the difference?
A current account is better for everyday spending.
Then I'll take the current account.
Good choice. I'll set that up for you now.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes for the paperwork.
That's quick.
We also have a mobile app for easy banking.
I love mobile apps. That's very convenient.
You can check your balance and transfer money anytime.
This is exactly what I needed.
We're happy to help you settle in.
Everyone in this city is so welcoming.
We hope you love it here. Welcome to the city.
Hi, can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
Just a regular coffee with milk.
Do you mean a latte or a flat white?
What's the difference?
A latte has more milk. A flat white is stronger.
I'll go with a flat white then.
Great choice. What size?
Medium, please.
Can I get your name?
My name is Sarah.
Perfect, Sarah. That'll be $3.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you new around here?
Yes, I moved here 2 days ago.
No way. Where did you move from?
I came from a small town up north.
That's quite a change.
Yes, Everything here is so fast and busy.
You'll get used to it quickly.
I hope so. Do you like working in the city?
I love it. There's always something happening.
That's exciting, but also a little overwhelming.
The secret is to find your favorite spots,
My favorite spots?
like your go-to coffee shop, your park, your restaurant.
That's good advice.
This can be your go-to coffee shop.
I think it already is. This flat white is amazing.
I'm glad you like it. Come back anytime, Sarah.
I definitely will. Thank you.
Welcome to the city. Enjoy every moment.
Hi, do you live in this neighborhood?
Yes, I've lived here for 5 years.
Oh, great. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course. What do you want to know?
Is this a safe neighborhood?
Yes, it's very safe. Very quiet at night, too.
That's a relief to hear.
Are you thinking of moving here?
I already moved here. Just yesterday, actually.
Oh, welcome neighbor.
Thank you. Where is the nearest supermarket?
There's one just 2 blocks away on Maple Street.
Perfect. Is there a pharmacy nearby, too?
Yes, right next to the supermarket.
This neighborhood has everything.
It really does. There's also a park just around the corner.
A park? I love parks.
It's great for morning walks.
I'll check it out tomorrow morning.
You'll see many people walking their dogs there.
That sounds lovely.
There's also a farmer's market on Saturday mornings.
Oh, I love fresh vegetables and fruits.
You're going to love this neighborhood then.
I think I made a great choice moving here.
I thought the same thing 5 years ago.
And you're still here. That tells me everything.
Exactly. I never want to leave.
Thank you so much for all this information.
Anytime. My name is David, by the way.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Maria. Excuse me, how do I use the metro?
It's simple. First, you buy a ticket at that machine.
Okay. How much is a single ticket?
$2 for a single ride.
And how do I know which train to take?
Look at the map on the wall. Which station do you need?
I need to go to Central Station.
Take the blue line, platform 3.
The blue line, platform 3. Got it.
You'll need to change trains at Riverside.
Change trains? That sounds complicated.
Don't worry, the signs are very clear.
What if I miss my stop?
Just get off at the next stop and come back.
That's reassuring.
The metro comes every 5 minutes.
Oh, that's very frequent.
During rush hour, it's every 3 minutes.
Wow, that's impressive.
It's the best way to travel in this city.
Better than taking a taxi?
Much faster and cheaper.
I'll use the metro every day then.
Smart decision. Do you have the Metro app?
I didn't know there was an app.
It shows real-time arrivals and departure times.
I'll download it right now.
It's called City Metro. Very easy to use.
Thank you. You've been incredibly helpful.
No problem. Enjoy exploring the city.
I will. First stop, Central Station. Excuse me, I need to find a doctor nearby.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I just need to register with a local doctor.
Oh, I see. There's a medical clinic on Oak Avenue.
Is it far from here?
About 10 minutes by foot.
Is it a good clinic?
Yes, I've been going there for years.
Do they accept new patients?
I believe so. You should call first to confirm.
That's a good idea. Do you have the number?
I don't remember it, but you can Google Oak Avenue Clinic.
Okay, I'll search for it now.
They also have a walk-in service on weekday mornings.
Walk-in means no appointment needed?
Exactly. You just show up and wait.
That's very convenient.
It's great for when you need to be seen quickly.
Do I need to bring any documents?
Bring your ID and your health insurance card.
I have both of those.
Then you're all set.
Is the doctor friendly?
Dr. Patel is wonderful, very patient and kind.
That makes me feel better. I get nervous at doctors.
She has a way of making everyone feel comfortable.
I'll go tomorrow morning then.
Good plan. I hope everything goes smoothly.
Thank you so much for your help.
Of course, take care of yourself.
You too. Have a lovely day. What a day. I am completely exhausted.
First day in a new city will do that to you.
I walked so much. My feet are killing me.
That phrase means your feet hurt a lot, by the way.
Oh yes, I've heard that expression before.
Did you manage to get everything done today?
I found my hotel, opened a bank account, and bought groceries.
That's a very productive first day.
I also got lost twice.
That's part of the experience.
I met so many kind people today, though.
That's one of the best things about this city.
Everyone was so patient with me.
People here like helping newcomers.
It made the whole day much easier.
Are you starting to feel more comfortable now?
A little. Still nervous, but excited too.
That's the perfect mix of feelings.
There is so much to learn and explore.
That's what makes it an adventure.
I like that word, adventure.
Every new city is a great adventure.
I think I'm going to love it here.
I have no doubt about that at all.
I just need a good night's sleep first.
Tomorrow will be even better than today.
I hope so. Thank you for ending my day on a positive note.
That's what neighbors are for. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow, neighbor.